Hi, I'm Nandita and welcome to my channel. I've got a lot of requests asking about healthy one-pot vegetarian dinners which are quick and easy enough to make on a weeknight. So today I'm going to show you a recipe along those very lines, and this is the main ingredient of our recipe today. It's pearl millet or whole bajra. So let's see what we're going to make. So the main ingredient in our recipe is pearl millet or bajra, and the main thing about this ingredient is that it needs a lot of soaking time, so roughly 8 to 10 hours, so that the seed coat softens and it cooks easier in the pressure cooker. So now if you're going for work in the morning, you can leave it to soak in water, and by the time you come back in the evening it will be ready to cook with. So let's get started with the recipe. So I've kept a cooker and it's on moderate heat. I'm going to start by adding some ghee to the pressure cooker. So we'll wait for the ghee to heat up. So the ghee is hot. I'm just going to add some jeera, cumin seeds. There's some finely chopped garlic and a couple of green chillies. I'm just stirring this until the cumin seeds splutter. So now to make this hearty and wholesome, we're going to add some chopped vegetables. There's some diced carrots. Here I have some diced potato which I've soaked in water so that it doesn't turn brown. Just drain off the water and add it to the pan. So I've stirred the carrot and potatoes for like 2 minutes, and now I'm going to add some chopped tomatoes. To this I'm going to add some turmeric, some dhania powder, coriander powder, and a little bit of garam masala powder. And now I'm going to season this with some salt. And now it's time to add our star ingredient, which is bajra. Now soaking this is very important, like I told you earlier, but the reason is that bajra is very high in nutrients, but it's also high in anti-nutrients, which means it prevents the absorption of the important nutrients like iron, calcium, etc. So soaking, sprouting and fermenting are three of the ways in which you can reduce the effect of the anti-nutrients and make sure that you have maximum absorption of the good nutrients in the millet. So let's add this. So this has been soaking for around 10 to 12 hours, and now I've drained off all the water. And here is our moong dal, which you can soak for half an hour or so, but it's okay, you can just rinse and add it because we're going to be cooking this for a long time, and even if you don't soak the moong dal, it will get cooked up in that much time. I'm just mixing this all up together. And now we are going to add water to the pressure cooker. Just remember that pearl millet, we'll have to pressure cook it for around 20 minutes. So make sure you add sufficient water so that it doesn't get burnt. So if the combined quantity of the pearl millet and moong dal is around 1 cup, then I will be adding at least 4.5 to 5 cups of water. So keep the flame on high mix up everything, and now we can add some roughly chopped spinach. There's another option for the spinach. You can also add it once the khichdi is ready, and just keep the cooker shut for 2 to 3 minutes and the palak will be cooked in that much time. But here I'm just going to add it along with the other ingredients. So now I've mixed everything. I'm going to shut the cooker. And right now the flame is on high. Let it come to 1 whistle or full pressure, and then we'll keep it on sim or the lowest flame setting for around 15 to 20 minutes. And that much time is required so that the bajra is cooked fully and the grains are split, so you know that the khichdi is ready. So let's wait for the first whistle and then we'll reduce the flame. So I have switched off the cooker after keeping it on sim for 20 minutes, and now the pressure is down, so I'm going to open the cooker and serve the khichdi. So our pearl millet khichdi is ready. You can tell because the grains of bajra have cracked open, and the starch makes the khichdi nice and creamy. So I like the khichdi to be a little bit softer, so I end up adding a bit more water. But if you don't want it so soft, you can reduce the water to like 4 to 4.5 cups for 1 cup of grains. So I have added here around 5 cups. So let's serve the khichdi. So the same recipe you can try out with any other millet and a combination of any other dal like masoor dal or chana dal. Just adjust the soaking time accordingly, and you can serve this with any of your favorite accompaniments, but I like to serve it with some dahi and some papad, and your choice of pickle is always there. I'm just going to add a little bit of ghee on the top. Our pearl millet khichdi or bajra khichdi is ready. If you like this video, do click the like button, subscribe to my channel and hit the notifications button so that you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in another video real soon.